In SOLIDWORKS, when working on a model, I want to check some properties of the model on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Can I do so without leaving SOLIDWORKS? Yes, you can. Can I change the properties without saving the model again? Yes, you can that as well. Let me show you how this is done. In SOLIDWORKS, after I have saved a part of the platform, I can change some of its properties. And I can do that by simply selecting the part and go to View and press Display Side Panel. I will then see the 3DEXPERIENCE attributes of this part. From here I can press the pencil icon and then change the attribute values I want to change, such as revision comment. When I add the text to revision comment like this text is visible on the platform without a need to save again. If I want to change the description property, however, this will trigger a need to save because the description property is mapped both ways, from SOLIDWORKS to the platform and from the platform to SOLIDWORKS. You can change properties if you got the rights to do so. So for instance, a released part cannot be changed because that's the whole point of releasing. So to make sure the change is visible both in SOLIDWORKS and on the platform, a save might be needed so that everything is synchronized. A little word of warning is that I can even change files that I haven't locked, so in a platform where you work together with others, it is good practice to lock the file before you make any changes like this, then unlock it when done. So for those of you who prefer to stay in SOLIDWORKS while working, this is how you can see and edit all platform attributes on a model in SOLIDWORKS. Thank you for watching, see you next time.